Alright, so helping out a friend here. Got this little truck. Got a slappy timing chain. Well, not too bad, but I opened up the valve cover and saw a chunk down there missing. So we're gonna do OSK timing kit, single row, and we're gonna replace the plastic guide with the metal back. Rock solid if you ever want to rev your engine up and ride it like it should. 22RE, they love it. Throwing a new crank seal. Here we got made in Japan, NSK or OSK on that one, and then tensioner, all Japanese. And I want to throw a shout out to Yoda One Performance. They always get stuff out to us quick. If you're in California or outside of California, sure they'll take care of you. They've been great to us.